Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I've got some absolutely disgusting news about the corrupt practices of Robinhood. Let me just hit you with the title. Robinhood gives founders second chance at $1.4 billion windfall. Trust me guys, you do not want to miss this video because that $1.4 billion turns into over $4.7 billion. So stay tuned and let's make some money. But before I dive into the video, I just want to give a massive shout out to the 1,100 of you that have currently dinged that notification bell, because you guys are always the first to watch a new video as soon as it's released. So be sure to drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel and ding that notification bell if you haven't already, so that you don't miss another video just like this one. Now I want to dive straight in with the key information. I'm going to read through the entire article and then give you my thoughts later. So, stock trading app Robinhood Markets is giving its billionaire founders 4 more years to hit share price targets that trigger stock awards worth $1.4 billion, according to a regulatory filing and 4 executive compensation experts who reviewed it. The company had agreed to award CEO Vlad Tenev and Chief Creative Officer Bijou Bhatt 13.8 million shares contingent on its share price reaching certain price levels at the time of its initial public offering or IPO. The executive compensation experts who analysed the filing reports told Reuters in interviews. Robinhood tweaked the terms of the stock awards in late May, so the founders will get a second chance to receive the shares if the IPO price does not meet the thresholds under the plan, according to the filing and the executive compensation experts. And then there's a bit here in terms of how much it's going to cost on a financial statement level, but it says the company made the changes to maintain the incentives of the stock award program, the filing states. Sarah Anderson at Program said that changing the stock award terms to reward them further was questionable. Under the original plan, Robinhood would have to be priced at a minimum of $30.45 per share in the IPO for Tenev and Bhatt to receive some stock, according to the filing and executive compensation experts. It'd have to be priced at $101.50 per share for Tenev and Bhatt to each receive the entire stock award worth $1.4 billion. Robinhood has not yet disclosed its targeted IPO price range, but in the filing it said that its board determined the fair value of its shares was $16.33 at the end of December. Under the modified plan, Tenev and Bhatt will have until the end of 2025 to hit the share price targets, the filing showed. Changing in-flight equity awards is often viewed negatively by investors, said a partner at an executive pay consulting company. More stock awards could be in the offing for the founders. In late May, Robinhood approved additional stock grants for Tenev and Bhatt tied to more ambitious share price goals ranging from $120 to $300, according to the filing. For Tenev, the value of the awards is $4.7 billion. For Bhatt, $2.8 billion. Tenev and Bhatt, who founded Robinhood in 2013, slashed their annual base salaries in April from $400,000 to $34,248, which was the median wage for US workers in 2019. How generous. Now guys, I wouldn't usually ask you to do this, but please do absolutely everything you can to get this video out there. Leave a like down below, drop a comment there as well, and share the video. I personally think it's absolutely disgusting that the CEO is going to be paying himself $4.7 billion, considering right there it says that the average US wage is $34,000. That means he's paying himself over 170,000 times the average annual wage. And you know exactly what's going to happen, don't you? This IPO is going to get hyped up by Jim Cramer, CNBC, the Motley Fool and all of those other FUD reporting sources, just so the founders can get their big fat bonus. Or they'll end up doing something even more crooked and trying to incentivize Robinhood users to buy the Robinhood stock and give them free shares or something stupid in return. It was said multiple times in the article that changing equity awards is often viewed negatively by investors, and yet they've still tried to sneak it in there and change all the clauses to give themselves more time to hit the price targets and to give themselves a bigger payout. Now guys, I would never recommend shorting a company. Personally, I can't even give financial advice on this channel. But Robinhood have been so corrupt over the last few months. They're definitely not working for the investors and definitely not trying to better the investors and give them free trading. If anything, they're trying to rob from them and give to the rich. I think it's also so crooked that their payouts depend on that IPO price. They're obviously just going to try and give so many interviews as the IPO comes closer and try and get as much media and as much FUD going as they possibly can to try and boost that share price on IPO day. Honestly, at this point, it wouldn't surprise me if they turned off the buy button for every single stock in the entire market other than the Robinhood stock. Guys, absolutely be sure to let me know down in the comments below what you think of this crazy pay award and if you think it's corrupt at all. If you want to pick up some shares in AMC, but you haven't even yet signed up to a trading platform, be sure to check out the links down in the description below to get some free shares, whether you're in the US, the UK, or even in Europe. You can get 2 free shares worth up to $2,300 with Webull at the moment, and a free share with free trade worth up to £200. And as always guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out some of my others. Alternatively, subscribe to the channel and ding that notification bell, because that way you'll be alerted when I upload a new video. Cheers!